It's time for the verdict. This is made by Sander. Dubai-inspired chocolate. O, gawa ni Sander yan. Ginawa niya yung sarili niya yung pistachio cream. Tapos with kataifi, of course. So, ayan. Taste test na tayo. ASMR. Crunchy. Harap. Ayan na, pistachio. Pistachio cream with kataifi. Ang harap.
You take another bite. Para madali yung crunch.
Makikagagat pa to.
You take another bite.
Ang
Tapos
harap.
you put the mic next to your mouth. Dali.
Crunchy nung kataifi. Oh. Ayun.
Wow.
Harap. Perfect, ha?
No preservatives, no additives.
Ayan. Ang sarap ng pistachio cream. Very good. Very good si Sander.
Yay!
Kain tayo. Dubai chocolate inspired by Sander.